There's your basket. Put it in there.
I love these.
Hold your basket.
Has these.
Did you find all those?
Go look for eggs, buddy. Let the little ones find them too.
I won't.
Here you go. Put your eggs in there.
I'm just joking.
On your sock, Jake.
Oop.
Hey, you wanna look for eggies?
I see another one.
Come here, Jake. Jacob.
I see another one.
Jacob. Jake, is there an egg here?
I see another one.
Don't. Hey, Jacob, do you want to look for your own eggs?
I still see it.
Mama!
Is there an egg right in that chair? Look at that chair.
Oh.
Here, let's put it in a basket.
That one was for you because you can
Here,
reach
put
it.
in a basket. Here. Put it here.
Jelly bean.
Put it there.
Are we finding them?
Is there one right here, Jacob? Right there? Come get it. Come on. Jacob, can you come get this one?
Hey, leave some for Kai. Blaze,
Put it in there.
leave some
Hey,
for
Jake.
Kyler, poor thing. She's just still trying to fix her basket.
Buckets. Jake and Steven.
Come on, come on.
Don't open them up. Kiddo. Okay.
There you go.
Can you put the
You got some
eggs?
eggs?
Put the
Hey,
egg
let's go
basket.
find some. Let's go in there.
Thank you. Do you see one right? Jacob, look right there. Is an eggie
Hey,
there?
Blaze, did you leave one out for her, like another one? You find it. Yay.
Did you find? Is there? Hey, Kyler. Is there an egg maybe right
Right there?
Yay.
Good job, everybody.
Are they downstairs or are they?
They're not in there.
Why don't you go check the clock in the dining room? Mommy's making waffles.
Hey, Kai.
You eating the candy? Awesome.
Kai, I see another one. Blaze, stop. I'm going to give this one to Kai because you have a lot. Kai, I see one more. Look at Mama. Move, Blaze, please. Kai.
Are you eating the candy?
Oh, I didn't see that one.
Yay! Kyler found it.
I still see one more.
Go get it.
Dining room.
Go get it. Dining room. No, kitchen or dining room?
I see two more actually. Two more in the kitchen. There you go. I see one more.
Sit down. Sit.
Me too.
Duh.
Good job.
These all of them?
Yeah, probably.
Until 6.
Oh, did you find one over there? Okay, good. Yay. Oh, what did you do? Hey, wait. Who got into the chocolates? Is that all?
Which one did get into the chocolate?
Let me see. She opened them and left them. That's so cute.